New Orleans, a city like no other, truly unique in every sense. A place where magic lingers in the air, thick and sweet, like the scent of magnolia blossoms. From the moment you step foot on Bourbon Street, with its vibrant energy and pulsating music, you know you've entered a world of its own, a realm of endless possibilities. The spirit of New Orleans is intoxicating, drawing you in with its charm and leaving an unforgettable mark on your soul forever. New Orleans is a melting pot of cultures, a vibrant tapestry woven from centuries of history. The city's unique character is shaped by its French, Spanish, African, and Caribbean influences, all blending seamlessly to create a rich and diverse cultural landscape. This fusion is evident in everything from the city's architecture and music to its cuisine and traditions. Music is the lifeblood of New Orleans. It's a city where melodies and rhythms are as essential as the air we breathe. It flows through the streets, weaving its way into the very fabric of the city. It spills out of bars and clubs, creating an atmosphere that is both electric and inviting. The air is filled with an infectious energy that makes it impossible to stand still. Jazz, born in the heart of this city, is more than just a genre of music. It's a way of life. It's a language that speaks to the soul, a rhythm that connects people from all walks of life. From the legendary Preservation Hall, where jazz legends have graced the stage for decades, to the street corners where young musicians hone their craft, to the intimate clubs on Frenchmen Street, the music never stops in New Orleans. Each venue offers a unique experience, a different flavor of the city's rich musical heritage. But jazz is just the beginning. The city's musical landscape is as diverse as its culture. New Orleans is a city that embraces all forms of music, celebrating the diversity that makes it so unique. From the soulful strains of blues and the smooth grooves of R&B, to the energetic beats of funk and the lively rhythms of Zydeco, there's something for everyone. Whether you're catching a brass band parade in the trim neighborhood, where the music is as vibrant as the community itself, or listening to a soulful vocalist in a dimly lit bar, where every note tells a story, the music of New Orleans will move you in ways you never thought possible. It's an experience that stays with you, a melody that lingers long after the last note has been played. New Orleans is a food lover's paradise, a city where every street corner offers a new culinary adventure. The city's cuisine is as diverse and flavorful as its culture, a delicious fusion of French, Spanish, African, and Caribbean influences. Each dish tells a story, a history of the people who have called this vibrant city home. From the rich and savory flavors of gumbo to the sweet and fluffy beignets, New Orleans offers a culinary experience that will tantalize your taste buds. Imagine the warmth of a steaming bowl of gumbo on a cool evening, or the joy of biting into a freshly made beignet, its powdered sugar coating your fingers. No trip to New Orleans is complete without a bowl of gumbo. This iconic dish is more than just food, it's a symbol of the city's rich culinary heritage. This hearty stew made with a dark roux, seafood, and andouille sausage is a true taste of New Orleans. The combination of flavors and textures creates a dish that is both comforting and complex, a true reflection of the city's spirit. And for a sweet treat, head to Café du Monde for a plate of their famous beignets, square-shaped donuts dusted with powdered sugar. These delightful pastries are perfect for any time of day, whether you're starting your morning with a coffee or ending your night with a sweet indulgence. The experience of eating a beignet at Café du Monde is a must for anyone visiting New Orleans, a moment of pure culinary bliss. The architecture of New Orleans is as unique and captivating as the city itself. Each building tells a story, a testament to the city's rich and diverse history. The blend of French, Spanish, Creole, and American influences creates a tapestry of styles that is truly one of a kind. From the colorful Creole townhouses of the French Quarter to the stately mansions of the Garden District, New Orleans is a city that wears its history on its sleeve. The French Quarter, with its vibrant facades and lively streets, is a living museum of the city's colonial past. Meanwhile, the Garden District offers a glimpse into the opulence of the antebellum South, with its grand homes and meticulously maintained gardens. The intricate ironwork balconies, a signature feature of New Orleans architecture, add a touch of elegance and grandeur to the city's streets. These balconies, often adorned with lush greenery and vibrant flowers, create a picturesque scene that is both charming and timeless. The craftsmanship of the ironwork is a testament to the skill and artistry of the city's early builders. Beyond the French Quarter, explore the Garden District, a neighborhood known for its antebellum mansions and lush gardens. Each mansion tells a story of a bygone era, with its grand columns, sweeping verandas, and intricate details. The gardens, with their lush greenery and vibrant blooms, provide a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. Take a stroll down St. Charles Avenue, lined with majestic oak trees and historic homes, and let the city's architectural beauty transport you to another era. The avenue, with its streetcars and stately homes, is a perfect example of the city's charm and elegance. As you walk, you'll feel as though you've stepped back in time to a place where history and beauty are intertwined. While the French Quarter and Garden District are must-sees, New Orleans is also a city full of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Venture beyond the beaten path and explore the city's diverse neighborhoods. Discover the vibrant murals and art scene of the Bywater, or immerse yourself in the history and culture of the Treem neighborhood. For a unique perspective of the city, take a stroll through City Park, one of the largest urban parks in the United States. Explore its lush gardens, visit the New Orleans Museum of Art, or simply relax by the tranquil waters of its lagoon. New Orleans has faced its share of challenges, but through it all, the spirit of the city and its people has never wavered. The resilience of New Orleanians is evident in their determination to rebuild and their unwavering love for their city. In the aftermath of Hurricane Katrina, the people of New Orleans came together to rebuild their lives and their city, showcasing the true meaning of community and resilience. Today, New Orleans stands as a testament to the indomitable spirit of its people. It's a city that has risen from adversity, stronger and more vibrant than ever before. New Orleans is more than just a city. It's an experience. It's a place where you can lose yourself in the music, where the food will nourish your soul, and where the people will welcome you with open arms. So come, experience the magic of New Orleans for yourself. Let the city's rhythm move you. Let its flavors tantalize your taste buds, and let its spirit captivate your soul. New Orleans awaits, ready to share its unique charm and unforgettable magic with you.